Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7822 Hamilton Street Extension in beautiful Pultneyville.
A historic home circa 1811 on the port of Pultneyville with beautiful Lake Ontario views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy old world charm with a Nantucket feel. Featuring a living room with wood floors and a brick fireplace. Just imagine sitting by the fire and listening to the crackling wood. French doors opening to the first floor bedroom or family room with rustic wood floors, great storage, and an adjacent full bathroom. A country eat-in kitchen with an expansive farmhouse-style sink, plus a water view dining area, a walk-in pantry and laundry room, all with a quaint screened-in porch overlooking the sprawling yard, harbor, and Lake Ontario. The old world charm continues upstairs with two spacious bedrooms, one with a vaulted ceiling, loft, and bay window, plus a full bathroom, all with scenic nature or water views.
This property backs to the Pultneyville Harbor with many great views. This rare property has a unique location with easy access to the Pultneyville Yacht Club. This property has direct access to Lake Ontario through the Cornwall Preserve. You could have it all in Pultneyville. Historic Pultneyville is a special waterfront community. It has great architecture, restaurants, and shopping. It is a great place to enjoy village waterfront life.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7822 Hamilton Street Extension in Pultneyville.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!